What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For all you folks looking to save a bit of money and still get a product of solid quality, we especially highlight the King C Gillette beard trimmer, also known as the best budget beard trimmer that can be found on the market in 2022. For vintage lovers, we are looking at a traditional safety razor. Gillette wanted to keep the look and all the features of the original razor from the 1900s. Shaving with this fella will allow users to rediscover unsurpassed knowledge from the old days. Then there is another quite precise razor. This is a razor for face and contours from the range, specially designed to follow the top contours and create a perfect and harmonious beard. The unique blade for finishing is located on the back of the razor head. Among other things, it gives users excellent visibility to create clean lines and more than precise contours. If you're struggling with redness and irritation in the neck after shaving, the company has finally listened to all the users who suffer from extremely sensitive skin on that part of the body. 2 lower cutting blades minimize nerve stimulation around the bristles, and a blue protective shield in the middle of the razor significantly relieves blade pressure on the skin. Not to mention that the transparent shaving gel also comes in the King C Gillette range. It allows the razor to glide better on the skin and is completely transparent, perfect for seeing exactly what you're shaving. It also contains ingredients of plant origin, aloe vera white tea. The success is such that 100 years later, the brand still holds the top of the list of the most famous shaving companies. And best of all, Gillette continues to revolutionize the world of men's shaving today, as it recently did with the invention of the first heated razor. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll analyze in our review list is the Wahl Groomsman beard trimmer, also known as the best value beard trimmer that can be found on the market in 2022. The blades are made entirely of stainless steel and are attached screws on the body of the machine, a solution that guarantees solid strength. The minimal cut without a comb is about 0.5 millimeters, ideal for those looking for a 2 to 3 day beard effect. Using combs, this trimmer cuts up to 12 millimeters, so is not suitable for a long beard. The supplied battery is of the NICD type, so it is not completely free of the memory effect and guarantees excellent autonomy of about 60 minutes, although it is noted that the charging times are quite long. If you forgot to charge it after the last session, it is good to know that this trimmer can also be used in wired mode. The device is quite light, but we're still average for traditional beard trimmers. On the other hand, the design aspects are very interesting. This model has a very classic cylindrical shape. The diameter of the trimmer body is slightly smaller than average, while the length of the handle is a few millimeters longer than most trimmers. There are grooves and covers made of non-slip material all over the body of the machine, where there is an ergonomic handle and several support points to increase hand pressure and make it easier to orient the blade on the face. The width of the Wahl Groomsman is 25 millimeters, slightly smaller than most other beard trimmers, which also seems ideal for finishing heavier areas such as cheekbones or mustaches. This beard trimmer is rich enough in maintenance accessories, but the supplied combs do not offer many trimming positions. The set of accessories includes a stand, which can hold the beard regulator when not in use or while charging the battery, protective cover, comb for harvesting, loose housing, charging transformer, oil for lubricating blades, brush with several bristles, and 4 combs for different cutting sizes. The body of the machine is rich in different points of support to facilitate better pressure with the fingers, which results in a more controlled capacity of movement and thus greater precision. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. If you're among the lucky folks who aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to enjoy a product of top quality and excellent performance, we say look no further than the Bevel beard trimmer, also known as the best premium beard trimmer that can be found in the market in 2022. Now, men with thicker beards may be more prone to ingrown hairs and bumps. That is why it is important to have a trimmer that stands close to the skin but does not cause any irritation. Bevel beard trimmer is highly rated as one of the best beard trimmers for men with thick or curly beards. The built-in adjustable antimicrobial wheel repels dirt and provides pretty close cuts without irritation. The trimmer is designed to sit comfortably in your hand while you go to work. Whether your beard is longer or shorter, this cordless trimmer has enough power to go through several care sessions before recharging. Expect about 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. For easy cleaning, wipe the device with a damp cloth or use a brush to clean the blade deeper, holding its base firmly to hold it in place. To get the best cut, start by adjusting the oblique blade to your liking. Simply remove the blade from the razor and adjust the distance between the blade and the guide several times until you find a length that allows you to shave the one you love without irritating the skin. The Bevel beard trimmer also boasts quick settings. No need for a screwdriver, just adjust the sharpness with a constant power dial, cable, or cordless. The blade repels dirt, oil, and deposits to prevent irritation. There's also a soft grip and a custom faceted body that gives you superior control and handling of 360 degrees of anti-slip. The Bevel beard trimmer comes in the size of 3.5 by 3.88 by 8.25 inches, while it weighs 1.52 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And here we are with the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best beard trimmer that can be found on the market in 2022, and the award went to the Remington hair and beard trimmer. If you want to avoid clutter when trimming your hair, the Remington HK Vac 2000 Vacuum Haircut Kit is your best option. This hair clipper has twin motors and precision blades for smooth and efficient cutting. There is also a suction function that improves cleaning during use and helps reduce clutter. With this trimmer, maintenance is easy because it comes with removable blades. This is the best beard trimmer with a vacuum cleaner we have encountered in a while. When cleaning your beard, it is better to be ready to clean the sink as well. However, beard trimmers with built-in vacuum cleaners create slightly or much smaller messes. The super hot HK Vac 2000A from Remington has a dual motor system that provides high-definition suction to capture about 90% of cut hair. The adjustment chamber is also quite spacious. Just put together a complete cutting session and the attached attachments mean you can find the detail you're looking for. It should be pointed out that users should not use corrosive or harsh substances or liquid cleaners when cleaning. There's also an innovative twin motor that allows the machines to work precisely as well as vacuum suction. The Remington hair and beard trimmer also boasts a pretty large hair collection chamber, which is quite easy to remove. This set includes a total of 16 accessories, 6 combs for different length changes, a hairstyling comb, left and right cones, a suction brush, shaving scissors, 3 cutting clips, a cutting guard, a blade pouch, and an oil bottle. The Remington hair and beard trimmer comes in blue, while its size is 3.13 by 7.25 by 10.5 inches. Furthermore, the product weighs 1.61 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Thanks to its excellent price-quality ratio, great performance, and top-notch durability, we can freely conclude that the Philips Norelco All-in-One Groomer is the best overall beard trimmer that can be found in the market in 2022, the gold medalist for today. The Philips Norelco All-in-One Beard Trimmer is one of the best products for men who want to invest in durable devices. This is also a favorite among professional hairdressers and has many positive reviews in the community. This Philips trimmer has several length options, with a zoom point at the bottom, which users like. Just turn the wheel to find the desired length of the blade. We like this feature when we want to reduce the length of the beard in front of the ear so that it blends in with our hair. You can use the Philips Norelco All-in-One Wireless Trimmer for wet and dry beards, mustaches, and heads. This aluminum beard trimmer has twice as many blades for more precise cutting. Its lithium-ion battery provides 6 hours of operation on a single charge, and the mix also includes 6 specially designed accessories and a range of cutting guards. Also, the Philips Norelco All-in-One Groomer features a sturdy zipper with a molded foam body to hold the trimmer and components to secure the buckles. Additionally, the higher cost is entirely justified by the industry's leading 10-year warranty. There are as many as 25 extra pieces for all your trimming needs. 1 metal trimmer, 1 trimmer with metal details, 1 razor, 1 extra wide hair trimmer, 1 nose and ear trimmer, 3 trimmer chin guards, 6 trimmer guards for hair, 2 trimming guards, 1 adjustable beard comb, 1 body shaver, 2 body trimming guards, eyebrow guard, cleaning brush, and travel bag. Users can also enjoy maximum precision with dual-cut technology, including 2 times more blades. The steel blades lightly touch each other, resulting in the product sharpening itself while working. Thanks to this function, the blade remains as sharp as the first day after 5 years of use. Overall, this fella offers top-level features, high durability, as well as great looks, all at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, well, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.